Welcome to our deep dive, all about AI and crypto trading.
Hmm.
We're going to be looking closely at CryptoHFT AI.
Okay.
It's an expert advisor designed for the crypto markets.
Right. Crypto trading can be,
Volatile.
yeah, the Wild West sometimes.
Exactly. And some traders are turning to these EAs,
Like crypto HFT.
hoping for an edge.
Yeah, for sure.
So for this deep dive,
Okay.
we've got the EA's marketing materials
Mhm.
from MetaTrader Market, and we've got some extra info from the developer's profile.
On MQL5.
Right. And we really want to understand what this EA offers
Mm-hmm.
and if it lives up to its promises.
Okay, so we'll start with the basics.
Yeah.
Crypto HFT AI is marketed as a high-frequency trading EA,
Okay.
specifically designed for the crypto market.
Got it.
And according to the developer,
Okay.
it can handle any crypto pair.
Really, any pair?
Yeah, as long as the spread is over 100.
Over 100.
Yeah.
So for those who might be new to this, can you explain what spread means?
Sure, the spread is the difference between the buying and selling price of a cryptocurrency.
Okay.
So a spread over 100
Right.
means there's a significant difference
Yeah.
between those prices,
I'll see.
which can create opportunities for profit, but also higher risk.
Got it. So this EA is designed to exploit those price differences,
That's the claim.
even in a volatile market.
Yeah, and to do this, it relies on what the developer calls a 5-neuron AI engine.
5-neuron AI engine?
Yeah,
It sounds kind of like science fiction.
it does have that futuristic appeal,
Yeah.
but we're here to look beyond the marketing buzzwords.
Right.
The real question is,
Yeah.
do these 5 neurons translate into results for traders?
Exactly. A fancy name doesn't guarantee profits.
Nope.
But before we get into how it works,
Okay,
let's talk about the developer,
right.
Aldo Marco Ronchase.
Yeah, his MQL5 profile highlights 40 years of experience
Wow, 40 years.
creating financial systems.
That's a lot of experience.
It is, and it's not just coding. He actually emphasizes real-world trading results
Okay.
over backtests. He even calls backtests curve-fitted.
Really? Yeah.
And he says they crumble under real pressure,
Wow.
which I find refreshing,
Yeah, someone with that much experience should understand the limitations of backtesting
right?
and focus on what matters.
Uh-huh. Consistent profitability in live trading.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But as always, we need to look at the evidence.
Of course, what specific results has this EA achieved?
Yeah, how does it compare to other EAs?
Good questions.
Those are questions we'll need to explore further.
Yeah.
So let's unpack this 5-neuron AI engine.
Okay.
How does it work and what makes it unique?
Well, each neuron has a specialized role.
Okay.
One neuron might focus on analyzing price trends.
Uh-huh.
Another might handle risk management.
So it's like a team of bots working together
That's a good analogy.
to make trading decisions.
Yeah. And what's interesting is the 5th neuron.
Oh, the 5th neuron.
This one tackles fluctuating spreads,
Hmm.
which is particularly relevant in the crypto market.
Makes sense.
It adapts its settings based on the spread of the chosen pair.
So it can trade effectively in both tight and volatile environments.
That's what it claims to do.
Okay, well, that sounds sophisticated.
Yeah,
But how does the AI learn the best settings for each neuron?
right.
Is this something the user needs to adjust manually?
So that's where things get more complex.
Okay.
It's a combination of AI learning
Uh-huh.
and user input.
Interesting.
You start with default neuron values,
Okay.
and the AI's first task is to find the best setting for that 5th neuron.
The spread specialist.
Exactly, on the specific crypto pair you've chosen.
So the AI is doing some initial optimization based on the pair.
Right.
Makes sense. But what about the other 4 neurons?
Yeah.
Does the user have to be a coding wizard to fine-tune those?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Once the 5th neuron is optimized,
Okay.
the user can then fine-tune the other 4,
Got it.
using backtesting results as a guide.
So it's a hybrid approach?
Yes, combining AI learning
Uh-huh.
with user intuition.
Interesting. So it's not entirely hands-off,
Right.
but it does seem to offer some automation
It does.
that could appeal to both experienced and less experienced traders.
For sure.
But this raises a crucial question.
What's that?
How much control does the user actually have over this AI-powered system?
That's a great question and something we need to explore further.
Yeah, because even with AI trading still involves risk.
Absolutely.
And understanding how much control you have is essential.
For sure. But before we get into that,
Okay.
let's look at the high-frequency trading aspect.
Okay, because speed is key in the world of HFT, right?
It is.
But what are the potential downsides of trading so fast?
That's a critical point. HFT can be lucrative,
Uh-huh.
but it's inherently riskier.
Especially in crypto.
Yeah, we need to understand how this EA mitigates those risks.
Right. And what safeguards are in place to protect users?
Yeah, from potentially significant losses.
Absolutely. So we've covered a lot.
We have.
A seasoned developer focused on real-world results. A 5-neuron AI engine that adapts,
Yeah, to different spread environments.
and the risks and rewards of high-frequency trading.
Right.
But that's just the beginning.
Yeah, we'll dive deeper in part 2.
Looking at the user experience
Right, the level of control you have.
and the potential drawbacks of this high-speed approach.
Exactly.
Just stay tuned.
Yeah. Welcome back to our deep dive into CryptoHFT AI.
So we were just discussing how HFT can be risky.
It can, especially in the world of crypto.
Right.
So it's really important to understand how CryptoHFT approaches risk management.
Yeah, their marketing talks about adaptability.
Uh-huh.
But how does that actually translate into protecting your investments?
Yeah, adaptability without risk management is a recipe for disaster.
Exactly.
The last thing you want is an EA making reckless trades at lightning speed.
Right. So from what you've gathered,
Hmm.
how does crypto HFT handle risk management?
Well, it seems like it's built into those 5 neurons.
Okay.
Each neuron is constantly analyzing market data
Right.
and adjusting its settings.
So it's not just about reacting to price changes.
No, it's about anticipating potential risks
Okay.
and adjusting the trading strategy.
On the fly.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Okay. So for example,
Yeah,
one neuron might be watching volatility levels.
right. If volatility spikes,
Mm-hmm.
that neuron could signal the others to reduce trade sizes.
Right.
Or even halt trading temporarily.
Got it. So that makes sense.
Yeah,
But where does the user fit into all of this?
right.
Do they have any control over these risk parameters?
Well, the marketing emphasizes that hybrid approach again,
Okay.
combining AI learning with user input.
So you're not just handing over your money to a black box.
No, you're not.
So there is some human oversight.
There is.
Can you give some examples of that control?
Sure. One key area is setting limits on the maximum spread the EA will accept.
Okay, so if the spread widens beyond my comfort zone,
Right. The EA will hold back and wait for a better opportunity.
so I'm not at the mercy of the market.
That's right.
Are there any other risk management features worth highlighting?
Yeah, the developer really pushes backtesting.
Backtesting, okay.
He provides a tool designed for crypto HFT. So you can simulate trading and assess risks before going live.
So basically, test drive the EA
Exactly.
using historical data
Right.
before risking real money.
Exactly. And it's not a basic simulator.
So,
It replicates the high-frequency environment.
wow. So it's a realistic assessment.
It aims to be.
That's a big advantage.
Yeah.
But with all this AI and automation,
Mm.
does this EA make human traders obsolete?
That's a good question and one that comes up a lot.
Yeah.
But in this case, I'd say it's augmenting human capabilities.
Augmenting.
Yeah, not replacing them.
So giving traders a powerful tool.
Right, to enhance their decision-making.
Okay, so the EA does the heavy lifting.
Right, the constant analysis, the execution, the optimization at high speed.
But the human is still in control.
They are.
Setting the strategy, managing risk,
Yeah.
deciding when to use the EA.
Exactly, it's a partnership.
A collaboration.
Yes, between human intuition and AI efficiency.
And this brings us back to the developer,
All do.
right? He seems to understand that trading isn't just about algorithms.
No, it's about giving traders the tools and knowledge.
To make informed decisions.
Right.
That's an important point.
Yeah, even the best EA is only as good as the trader using it.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So as we keep going with crypto HFT,
Yeah.
we need to talk about a key concern with HFT,
Okay.
especially in crypto,
What's that?
slippage.
Slippage.
Yeah,
That's a scary word for some traders.
it is for sure, but what exactly is slippage?
Right. And how does it affect someone using this EA?
That's what we'll explore in the next part.
Because understanding slippage is crucial for any high-frequency strategy.
It is, especially in the unpredictable world of crypto.
So stick with us as we unravel this complex but critical aspect of crypto HFT AI. Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into crypto HFT AI.
We're going to be tackling a topic that can make even seasoned traders cringe.
Yeah.
Slippage.
So for those who might be new to this, can you quickly explain what slippage is?
Sure, slippage is basically when you execute a trade
Oh,
at a different price than you intended.
I see.
And it happens in fast-moving markets.
Like crypto.
Exactly, where prices change rapidly.
Between the time you place the order.
Right, and when it's actually filled.
So like you think you're buying Bitcoin at one price.
Yeah.
But by the time the order goes through.
The price has moved.
And you end up paying more.
Exactly, or selling for less than you expected.
Right. And in high-frequency trading, where speed is everything.
Slippage can be a big problem.
Especially in crypto with those wild price swings.
Absolutely. So how does CryptoHFT AI address this?
Yeah, does it have anything to minimize slippage?
Well, the marketing materials don't go into great detail about slippage specifically, but they do talk about adapting to different spread environments.
Right. And that fifth neuron we talked about.
Uh-huh. The one that handles those fluctuating spreads.
Exactly. Could that play a role here?
It could, by constantly monitoring the spread
Okay.
and adjusting the trading parameters
So it could avoid placing orders.
when the spread is too wide.
Which is when slippage is most likely to happen.
Exactly.
So it's trying to be smart about its orders.
Trying to avoid those volatile moments.
Where slippage can hurt.
Yeah, but of course, how effective this is really depends.
On a lot of factors.
Or the specific pair you're trading.
The market conditions.
User settings.
Because even the best EA can't totally eliminate slippage.
Nope. It's an inherent risk in trading.
Especially high-frequency trading.
Absolutely. So
Right.
it's crucial for users to understand this.
And factor it into their strategy.
Yeah. Don't just assume the AI will magically fix everything.
Right. You need to be aware and manage your risk.
And the developer emphasizes that a lot.
He does.
Although, he believes traders should understand how the EA works.
Not just blindly rely on it.
Exactly. He provides a lot of documentation tutorials, even personalized support.
So it seems like he's really invested in user education.
He is.
Wants to help people use CryptoHFT AI effectively.
Yeah, he's not just selling software.
He's building a community.
Yeah, of informed traders.
Okay, so wrapping things up, CryptoHFT AI offers a unique approach.
It does with the 5-neuron engine, the high-frequency trading, the user control.
But we need to remember, no EA is a guaranteed path to riches.
Right. Trading always has risk.
Slippage is just one of the challenges.
Right.
So do your research understand the risks? Choose an EA that fits your style.
And remember, even with all this technology, your success depends on you.
On your knowledge.
Your skill.
Your judgment.
Wise words. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
My pleasure.
We hope you found it insightful.
Informative.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and may your trades be ever in your favor.